How to create the perfect flare and brake lines using the Performance Tool Double Brake Flare tool. The brake line needs to be cut flush and free from burrs on the inside and outside. Use one of our file sets to remove the burrs on the line. You can add a touch of lubricant like brake fluid to the line to ease the flaring process. First, remove the compression screw. Remove the 12mm hex bolts on the sides of the alignment block, as well as the 8mm bolts on the alignment plate. Swing the alignment plate partially out of the way of the opening. It should cover half the tubing hole on the inside. Insert your brake line until it rests on the back of the alignment plate. This is crucial so that the line flares correctly. Tighten the bolts on the alignment block. Swing the alignment plate back into place and tighten the bolts on the face. Install the double flare adapter onto the compression screw. It slots into place on the rear. Tighten the compression screw into the alignment plate tightly. This creates the first part of the double flare. Remove the compression screw. The 45-degree adapter is stored in the bottom of the handle of the tool. Remove the old adapter and install the 45-degree tool. Tighten the compression screw into the alignment plate again. Then remove. Loosen the bolts on the alignment plate and the block and remove your piece of brake line. Inspect your flare for flaws. It's that easy to make the perfect flare in lines and create a leak-free seal with the threaded coupler of your choosing.